Welcome to our exciting YouTube video featuring the extraordinary Garmin Descent G1 Slate Grey Dive Watch. In this captivating and informative video, we will take an in-depth look at the exceptional features and capabilities of this remarkable timepiece, designed to enhance your underwater adventures like never before. The Garmin Descent G1 Slate Grey is the epitome of a high-performance dive watch. Meticulously crafted with precision and durability in mind, it showcases a stunning display made of sapphire crystal. This exceptional material ensures optimal clarity, allowing you to easily read the watch face even in challenging underwater conditions. Additionally, the fiber-reinforced polymer bezel adds an extra layer of toughness, protecting the watch from the rigors of your diving expeditions. Comfort is paramount during any dive, and the Descent G1 excels in this aspect. Its supple silicone strap offers a secure and comfortable fit on your wrist, allowing you to focus solely on your underwater experience. Weighing a mere 61 grams, this watch is incredibly lightweight, minimizing any distractions and providing unparalleled freedom of movement. When it comes to water resistance, the Garmin Descent G1 sets new standards. With a remarkable rating of up to 100 meters, it surpasses expectations and is rated to MIL/STD 810 military standards. This means that no matter how deep you dive or how challenging the conditions may be, your Descent G1 will stand up to the test, ensuring reliable performance in the underwater environment. One of the standout features of the Garmin Descent G1 is its extensive range of dive modes, tailored to meet the needs of divers at every level. Whether you are a recreational diver or an advanced explorer, this watch offers a mode for every diving style. From single and multiple dives with gas options, including nitrox and trimix, to gauge, apnea, apnea hunt, and closed-circuit rebreather modes, the Descent G1 provides the versatility you require to make the most of your underwater adventures. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any dive watch, and the Descent G1 excels in this area as well. In dive mode, it offers an impressive battery life of up to 25 hours, ensuring you have ample time to explore the depths without worrying about the watch's power. Even in smartwatch mode, the Descent G1 can last up to an astounding 21 days, making it an ideal companion for extended dive trips. But the Garmin Descent G1 doesn't stop at being a powerful and feature-rich dive watch. It also incorporates smart functions that seamlessly integrate into your everyday life. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair the Descent G1 with your smartphone, enabling notifications, calendar integration, and even weather updates, ensuring you stay connected and informed even when you're exploring the depths of the ocean. To further enhance your diving experience, the Garmin Descent G1 comes equipped with advanced features and sensors. GPS and GLONASS Galileo satellite systems enable precise location tracking, giving you the confidence to navigate with ease underwater. The integrated heart rate monitor, barometric altimeter, compass, gyroscope, accelerometer, thermometer, depth sensor, and pulse ox blood oxygen saturation monitor provide a wealth of valuable data, allowing you to monitor and analyze your performance and make informed decisions during your dives. In summary, the Garmin Descent G1 Slate Gray is a dive watch that combines durability, functionality, and cutting-edge technology in one remarkable package. From its exquisite sapphire crystal display to its robust fiber-reinforced polymer bezel and comfortable silicone strap, every aspect is meticulously designed for both style and ruggedness. The extensive range of dive modes, precise sensors, and impressive battery life make it the perfect companion for any diving adventure. Experience the wonders of the underwater world like never before with the Garmin Descent G1. Don't miss out on the opportunity to explore the depths and push the boundaries of your underwater adventures. Subscribe to our channel today to stay updated on the latest advancements in dive gear and technology. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate adventure seekers. Together, let's embark on unforgettable journeys into the depths of the ocean. Happy diving!